Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG3222 on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but in the Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MG3222. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with Canon support for PIXMA MG3222. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page, you will need to scroll down underneath software and drivers and go ahead and select that. And once you have gone down a little bit further, you want to then select underneath option number 1, operating system and version number should both be selected here. Go ahead and just make sure that's correct. And then go down to number 3, print driver and scan utility installer. Select download. And then once it's done, go ahead and open that up. And then select under verify publisher, should be Canon Inc. Select yes. And then you can close out of the web browser at this time. You will have to go ahead and select next. Select your place of residence and then select next again. You want to select yes. And then it should say use a printer with wireless connection or via USB, whatever your preference is. And select next again. And then you would have to turn on the printer, let that search for it, and then you should be good to go. You may need to configure your printer settings to go ahead and actually recognize that. But it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.